I'm gonna apply this one, untie the nails. And don't forget to add the no white top coat. Between the no white top coat and condensed glue gel will definitely is grab the base of the crystal charm and chains and keep it in one place. So if you are having a little bit of troubleshooting and the crystal looks beautiful and then but then it's gradually falling off, and the next day this is going to be definitely gonna be your bestie on the station. So I am going to floating the no white top coat. You can see that I didn't spread the bristle because I don't want it to be pulling off all my condensed glue gel. So I am going to add super stunning, like, I don't know what you call this, pumpkins with a hat on, you think? And I'm going to using my baby meat jar from subscription box. Yesterday I got to use that and it looks so cool and stunning. Using some of this. Add some when I having a great time to look at this one. Ooh. I'm gonna add some big beads on. How's everyone doing? And happy Wednesday. Somehow I thought today is a Thursday. But actually it's Tuesday, Wednesday. This is one of my favorite season 2 creators of fun nail art. Oh my god, it's cool though. It's a little natural stone right there. Hello, Mr. Pumpkin. I got a little a pumpkin spice. I love it. You can definitely never go wrong with that color. Perfect for fall. Ah, loving it. Let me put a little bit right there on the cuticle areas, but I'm gonna do is like have an angles instead of just right straight in the middle. And some beads. Couple more on the sides. The best way to do your crystal placement, just pick your centerpiece in this beautiful designs I did is the centerpiece of this is right here in the big in the middle one, and then also the centerpiece here is the super adorable I know he's scared of, but he's cute pumpkins man. All right, happy with this. Now add just a couple more. All right, so I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm going to use a little bit, oh, I mean, I don't know, it's a little bit, but maybe more of the condensed glue gels on the top of my pumpkin. Give him a little facials, you know, cover a little bit. All right, here I'm gonna show you. And add a little bit of top coat on the top. close that one. And I have one of my favorite claws, the skeleton hand, to grab the pumpkins.
You can show size too, so adjust the hand just a bit.
Huh?
So the hand will see through the fingers.
Look like he's poking the pumpkin nose, you know? The pumpkins could never make off this pumpkin patch. So already have skeleton hands got him. I'm gonna add a couple of the pumpkin spice. And is that cute? It just looks so fun. I love at this season's well, you know what? It's not really like in October yet, but I want to share with you what I got in my sub box and what we can definitely create with. So you are getting your sub box is gonna be on your way. It's so stunning for its October sub box is all about Halloween theme. And if you still like your sub box still not having enough of yours Halloween products, you can always get, you know, treasure box. I mean Halloween treasure box, is that right? I think so. They get more, or Halloween treasure bags. There's always more, never be enough. Alright, I think I'm gonna do one more. I keep saying it and then I keep adding more. But you know what? It's just really cool. It's just like have in the theme of it, and then also you can add more. Or if you are happy with this, you just, you know, place into LED lights and here. But if you want to add more, oh, there's more than welcome. I just want a smaller one, and I don't know is why you place them together. All right. I think it's great. Let me adjusting it. That's the best thing about condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat. It is going to be there for me and until I am happy with this and I can able to adjusting it. Okay, here for 60 seconds. Look at this one. I swear I put some chains on it. Hold on. Let me think. Can you hold on? Can you cut the piece of chain for me? Huh? Just a little bit. I want a Crocs right here. Because I use a frame already, I think. The smaller pieces from the chains I have. Too long. Half of it. Thank you. It still might be too long. Just cut it. I'm using the crystal clipper remover. Alright, hold on. Stay. So dramatic. Ah, looks cool. Okay, now I'm curing it for 60 seconds.